Welcome back, guys and girls. Well, I just wanted to do a real quick video on a problem that is a common problem and the solution that we came up with. So we recently started rebuilding the engine in a 2005 Nissan Pathfinder. So it is the 4-liter V6. It's a VQ40DE engine. And if you look on the internet, you will find out that these engines, especially if they sit, they have problems where you can't get the oil pump to prime. This particular engine, we rebuilt it and put a brand new oil pump and everything in it, and we had the same problem. So the solutions you will find on the internet is take all the coils out, take all the spark plugs out, pull the valve covers, drench the cams with oil, crank and crank and crank incessantly, and keep doing that until it finally sucks up the oil and primes the pump. We didn't do any of that nonsense. Here's what we did. So we built this little plate. As you can see, it has an air chuck coupler fitting, and we bolted this on in the place of the oil pickup tube. And I will show you a picture of what that looks like. Once we had that in place, we put just a normal piece of air line on here, coupled it on. And of course, this is underneath the vehicle upside down. So we ran that hose vertical to where the hood latch goes on the hood and clipped it in place. Then we filled that line completely with new engine oil. And here's a photo of that. So once that was filled with oil, we put that hose back together with the other quick connect. And then we took the red tank, had 30 pounds of air pressure in it, and we coupled the yellow hose to that. So we are forcing the oil up to the pump with 30 pounds of air pressure. And I would caution going any higher than that, because you don't want to blow the O-ring out where your oil pump sits against your oil pan. Anyway, once that was accomplished, just a few seconds of cranking the engine over, got the pump primed, and then we had oil pressure. Now, obviously, we had to take all this back off. And while we were doing that, the oil was draining back out. But the pump had oil in it. And so once it was all completely put back together, the pan was on, the oil was back in, we reinstalled the fuel pump fuse and started the engine. And within a few seconds, the pump primed itself again, and it's been fine ever since. Now, obviously, we still have the issue that is inherent in the design of these engines, where when you first start the engine, it starts with no oil pressure. And then after a couple of seconds, you see the pressure gauge go clunk. I don't like it at all. It's just the way these engines are made. So we're just gonna have to live with it. Anyway, guys, quick tip. If this will help you out, save you all that mess, or even the 20 hours of pulling the front timing off to get to the oil pump, to pack it with grease or Vaseline or whatever, this is how we did it. It literally only took about 15-20 minutes. So hope that'll help you out.